Yeah, baby. Now this is riding. Yeah! Oh, a little bit of lightning. Oh, we're going into a good one now. Man, I could use a little fucking rain axe. Woo! Oh, my balls just got wet. Finally soaked through. I gotta clean my glasses off. Holy fuck. Smart boy, thunderstorm. I stopped right by the electrical plant. Huh, good thinking. Huh, where else would you fucking stop? You know, that's pretty fucking smart. I could get out of here before the hair on my head stands up and something happens. Gotta hold my head up a little bit. My glasses are fogging like crazy. I want to be able to see the fucking water on the road. This is what you call extreme rain riding, kids. Don't try this at home. La 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 la. La, la. Oh, that one went by my glasses right into my fucking eyeball. Oh, man. That stung a little. Extreme rain riding. Extreme rain riding. I love extreme rain riding. There's a lightning bolt. Extreme rain riding. Extreme rain riding. Oh, there's some water. Woo! That was a ditch water. Man, must have fucking poured here. Look at the water coming down the road. Oh, you probably can't see it on the camera because the camera's so covered in fucking water now. It's fucking rain. Oh, there's a wet spot. Slow down, slow down. Nice and easy. There we go. Nobody behind you. Take your fucking time. It must have fucking poured here. Whoa. Wet. It's like fording a river. I am fucking wet.